She is a multi-awardee edu-leader and parenting expert with a history of working in the space of children and education for more than 15 years. The great mentors warmly welcome Ms. Greshma, edu-leader. Ms. Greshma education and career have been dedicated to developing young minds. A bachelor degree in human development followed by a postgraduate diploma in school counseling from the University of Mumbai, and a certification in early year foundation stage from UK empower her to create an eclectic curriculum for nurturing young minds. She has recently certified from Harvard University in school leadership. She started her career as a kindergarten teacher and taught at the primary level for 7 years, then, as preschool coordinator and operations head, and now as head of TOTS. She has been involved in designing of learning environments, scripting curriculum and training teachers in preschool. From 2007, she is set on a journey for creating stimulating early learning environments. She enjoys creating vibrant learning environments that are happy and warm. In her words, "I strive to ensure that the curriculum is both enriching and stimulating for young children. I believe a preschool should be a wonderful safe haven for children, a home away from home where learning is effortless and organic." Looking at challenges children face in schools, she realized the importance of guiding parents, hence she set on a mission of happy child, happy teaching and happy parenting. To take her mission forward, she conducts various workshops for educators and parents. She also conducts counseling for children, parents and teachers to support them. She is an active speaker, mentor and trainer who believes in knowledge sharing, collaborating, innovating and inventing the best practices in EK world with educators and parents. Her achievements are India Star Icon Awardee, Global Goodwill Ambassador of India, Educational Ambassador at 100.org from Finland and UK, represented India at Global Educational Supplies and Solutions, Dubai in 2017, Ambassador of India for Child Abuse Prevention Program, Educational Advisor at Alakbortika, Bangladesh, Honorable Advisor at Sports Association of India and many other.